Using one and ones. We use one when we don't want to repeat a noun. Would you like a chocolate? Would you like one? I need a pen. Do you have one? So this one means do you have a pen? So we don't want to say again the word pen, like do you have a pen? Instead, we can say do you have one? Is there a bank nearby? Yes, there is one at the end of the road. So here one means the bank, a bank. So one is used for singular nouns, singular things. When we ask or answer about one item, we can use one. Which one do you want? Which hat or which bag? This one or that one? This car or that car? I don't like the black coat, but I like the brown one. So one means coat here. Don't buy that camera. Get the other one. Get the other camera. We use ones for plural things. Which ones do you want? Like which flowers, which shoes, which books? These ones or those ones? The white ones look better than the yellow ones. I don't like the red shoes, but I like the green ones. This cup is dirty. Can I have a clean one? That biscuit was tasty. I'll have another one. These cups are dirty. Can we get some clean ones? My shoes are old. I'm going to buy new ones. Which hotel did you stay in? The one next to the station. I found these keys. Are they the ones you lost? So A asks B some questions. We need to use one in the answers. Can you lend me a pen? I'm sorry, I haven't got one. Would you like to have a car? No, I don't need one. Have you got a bike? No, but I'm going to get one. Can you lend me an umbrella? I'm sorry, but I haven't got one. Would you like a cup of coffee? No, thank you. I've just had one. Is there a chemist near here? Yes, there is one in Mill Road. Now let's try to use these words: better, big, clean, different, new, old. This cup is dirty. Can I have a clean one? I'm going to sell my car and buy a new one. That's not a very good photograph, but this is a better one. I want today's newspapers. This is an old one. This box is too small. I need a big one. Why do we always go to the same restaurant? Let's go to a different one. A is talking to B. So let's use the information to complete the conversations using one or ones. I stayed at a hotel. It was opposite the station. We stayed at a hotel. Which one? The one opposite the station. A sees some shoes in a shop window. They're green. I like those shoes. Which ones? The green ones. A is looking at a house. It has a red color. It has a red door. That's a nice house. Which one? The one with a red door. A is looking at some CDs. They're on the top shelf. Are those your CDs? Which ones? The ones on the top shelf. A is looking at a jacket in a shop. It's black. Do you like that jacket? Which one? The black one. A is looking at a picture. It's on the wall. That's an interesting picture. Which one? The one on the wall. A sees a girl in a group of people. She's tall with long hair. Do you know that girl? Which one? The tall one with long hair. A is looking at some flowers in the garden. They're yellow. Those flowers are beautiful. Which ones? The yellow ones. A is looking at a man in a restaurant. He has a mustache and glasses. Who's that man? Which one? The one with the mustache and glasses. I took some photos at the party last week. Did I show you my photos? Which ones? The ones I took at the party last week. So, in today's video, we learned how to use one and once to refer to specific items without repeating the noun. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.